I joined as a member at the beginning of 2009 and I had just completed the etching course. One of the main reasons for joining was that having left art school, I really missed working with other artists and really valued working in a studio with lots of other artists. And obviously it provides great opportunities for taking part in exhibitions, selling your work, talking about your work to other people. The process that I use mainly is etching. I actually really enjoy the fact that there's so much involved in the process of etching, whether it's you start off with an idea of what you'd like to produce, and usually it throws up quite a few surprises, so you have to be fairly open-minded, which is it's something that I enjoy when I'm working. I like working quite spontaneously and just responding to the work as it develops. The new print is called Legend. It's a black and white etching that I've produced. I've recently been doing quite a lot of work around trees and forests and what it feels like to walk through a forest, and about our relationship with trees and nature. So for this print I was interested just to continue working in that field, and I'm pleased with what I got in the end.